Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys, the dark theme setting guys, how can we disable and find how to enable light theme and find how can we use it. Light theme setting and find how can we disable dark theme setting. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, now let's see how can we disable dark theme and find how can we use it. How can we disable dark theme and guys how to use light theme. Sorry guys, so friends you can see this type of setting. So friends you don't know where is dark theme setting, friends you can search here guys dark theme. You don't know, so friends you can search here. So friends we will click on this dark theme setting, friends tap here. Friends you can see direct guys, your dark theme guys you can disable from the right side icon guys, tap here. So friends you can see dark theme will disable, light theme will enable, you can use it. And friends you can see schedule time guys, you want to schedule guys your dark theme guys start time and end time guys, you can set from here guys. So I friends you understood how to disable dark theme and how to enable light theme and how to use it. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video and guys tell me on comment guys, do you like light theme and dark theme. Bye guys.